This is MYWAY, a child safety seat to accompany you on your journeys for many years. The MYWAY is ideal for children from their first days of life. The youngest passengers are always transported rearward facing in the most reclined position. The seat is fastened with the car seat belt. To do this, take out the inserts. Guide the belt under the armrests at the front of the seat. Fasten it. Pass the upper section of the belt behind the back of the backrest through the guide. Put the inserts back in. Buckle in the little passenger with the harness inside. Move the seat closer, check the belt for any twists and tighten it. That's it. Children in Group 1 can also ride facing the rear. Then the car seat is fastened with the car seat belts. They can also travel in the forward-facing position. Only positions 1 to 3 are suitable for forward-facing travel. But first, see how to adjust the car seat to the child's age and weight. Remove the headrest pad by pulling the 2 buckles out of the headrest. When your child has reached 9 kilos, remove the lumbar support. The large insert is removed for children weighing at least 13 kilograms. In this weight group, you can install the seat using the Isofix and top tether mounts or use a 3-point car seat belts. The top tether is stored in the compartment at the back of the seat. Insert the enclosed guides here. Slide the Isofix bars out of the seat base. Now insert them into the seatbelt guides. Press the safety seat against the car backrest. The green colour indicates the correct Isofix installation. To fasten the top tether, release the buckle, adjust the length, attach the hook to the hitch here and tighten the strap. If the seat position has been changed, adjust the tether again. The top tether will be correctly tightened if the green indicator appears here. Before placing the child, loosen the inner straps but do not pull at the shoulder pads. The magnetic points on the side guards facilitate child placement in the seat. Finally, adjust the headrest. You can choose from 10 positions. Choose one that is optimal for your child. Put the 2 straps together and insert them into the buckle until you hear a click. The belt is correctly fastened when the indicator turns green. Tighten the internal straps firmly so that there is a 1-finger gap between them and the child's body. The shoulder straps should be attached slightly above the child's shoulders. To remove the car seat, detach the top tether and then remove the seat from the Isofix mounts. To do this, release the buttons on both sides and pull the seat towards you. Retract the Isofix mounts back into the base of the seat. The third method of attachment in this weight group is intended for cars without Isofix mounts. Place the safety seat on the rear seat and push it against the backrest. Here's how to run the belt. Under the headrest, but not through the guide. Under the armrests, under the inner harness. Buckle it and tighten. Secure the child with the internal harness of the seat. For children in the second and third weight groups, remove all the inserts and hide the inner harness. Undo the Velcro fasteners on the shoulder pads and take them off. Detach the strap from the metal buckle and pull it out. Hide the straps and buckle sockets inside the backrest in the special recesses on both sides. To remove the crotch strap, take off the cover. Then undo the elastic bands on the front of the seat and remove the padding. Remove the crotch strap out of the slot by turning it slightly. For these weight groups, the seat should only be set in the most vertical position. For children in the second and third weight groups, do not use a top tether. Use ISOFIX mounts. Children from groups 2 and 3 are fastened with the car seatbelts. Run the belt through the red guide under the headrest and both guides under the armrests. Adjust the headrest. Tighten the seatbelt. When correctly installed, the shoulder section of the belt runs between the child's shoulder and neck. The lap section rests as low as possible above the hips. In cars without ISOFIX, the child is also fastened with a 3-point seatbelt. The cover is washable. First, remove the inserts. Then you remove the straps. Take off the shoulder pads, detach the strap from the buckle and pull it out. Hide the shoulder straps inside the backrest in the special recesses on both sides. Pull the cover off the crotch strap. Undo the elastic bands on the front of the seat and remove the padding. Turn the crotch strap and pull it out of the slot. Time to remove the cover. Under the Velcro fasteners under the armrests on both sides, slide the bottom cover off. Pull the material out of the slots in the guards. Undo the rubber bands that secure the headrest cover. 2 at the front and 1 at the back. Slide the material off the headrest. After washing, put the cover back on the seat. First the headrest, remember the bands. Place the cover on the side guards and insert the fabric edges into the slots. The cover of the lower part should be placed on the seat. Do up the Velcro fasteners under the armrests. Insert the crotch strap into the T-slot and wrap it with the cover. Slide the padding onto the seat and armrests. Secure the cover with the rubber bands. Pull the shoulder straps out of the chambers in the armrest. Run the padded strap here and attach it to the buckle under the cover on the other shoulder strap. Do up the Velcro fasteners on the protective pads. Now install the inserts. And you're done. We wish you pleasant trips with MYWAY.